Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you're using USB-C headphones, then what you guys want to do first is clean the charging port because dust can block the connection. Now, as you guys can see, we have it right here at the bottom, and that's where almost every phone has its charging port. Now we want to make sure that we clean our charging port completely, and after that what you guys want to do is hold the power button and the volume down button to restart the phone. Tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is, if you're using an adapter for 3.5mm jack, make sure that you're using an original one or a certified one, because it might be the adapter's fault if it's basically just like badly made. So it may be the adapter's fault. If you have another one, then try it out. And what you guys want to do next is try another pair of headphones. So self-explanatory, you just grab another pair of headphones and plug them into the adapter or USB-C port, depending on what you use, and see if that is the issue with the headphones or with the port or adapter itself. Now what you guys want to do next is make sure that you update your software. So go over to settings, and this also goes for the Bluetooth headphones. So you'll either see that you have an update here or here, and now you just click download and install. As you guys can see, now it's downloading and installing. I'm at 8%, and here is the verification process, and that's basically where you guys can update it. Now moving on, for Bluetooth we want to go over to the settings, and in those settings we want to go to connections and then Bluetooth. Now make sure that you disable your Bluetooth first and then enable it again. Now after that, what you guys want to do is, if you have already paired your headphones here, make sure to forget them and repair them. You pair them differently on every single device, so there's no exact way of showing it to you, but you just need to pair it again here just like you did for the first time, and make sure that you charge them up to 100%, because when they are not on 100%, not including the case, then they sometimes just won't connect. And I've had this situation, I had to charge them up and they connected without any issues. Now what you guys want to do as a last resort is make sure to avoid any Wi-Fi or device interference. And yeah, for device interference, for example, your headphones can connect to another device and you just won't notice until you see it. And make sure that you need to avoid it. So as a last resort here, what you guys want to do is simply factory reset your phone, or not factory reset, but just reset some of the settings. So scroll down until you see the general management. Here click reset, and after that scroll down, and here, instead of factory data reset, what we're gonna do is we're gonna reset the mobile network settings. So click here, now enter the password if you have one, then click reset, and now they are reset. And now the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So here you just reset them. You'll lose every single Bluetooth device and every single Wi-Fi. So make sure that you have a copy of basically everything here. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.